So, hi loves, this is Neha Mishra and you're watching Snefinity. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing good in your lives and I wish I could say that. Just kidding. So, first of all, please ignore how I look right now because today is Sunday and today is my National Hair Wash Day. So, last night I have applied lots of oil. So, let me just brush it up once I quickly brush it up and let's just start now. Okay. So also I have been little inactive on Instagram and YouTube and I have not been, consistently making videos on anything, be it anything. Because guys, I actually have a life of academic. I'm still a student, unfortunately. Just kidding. I love college. So I have college to attend, I have assignments to finish, and I have syllabus to complete. So because of all that busy drama, I'm not able to, take out time for this. Otherwise, it's my, if somebody would say I would have made this that clearly way before, but you guys didn't miss me at all, and nobody just asked me. So let me just do it all by myself. As you already know that summers are on time unlike me, so I thought, just a random thought clicked on my mind to try out something interesting this summers that could benefit both of us from this video. So today I'm going to conduct one small experiment with AI. It's high time for us to draw conclusion on AI, whether it could help us in practical life or not. So now I assume you got the context of this experiment. It's basically about trying out several things, as in the method of trial and error method for, to draw conclusion whether it could be helping in practical world or not by us, all of us. So if you are interested in this, then please continue watching this. What exactly am I gonna do with AI today in front of you all is I'm just going to have one-on-one conversation with ChatGPT, asking it to suggest approachable and affordable daily skincare routine that we can follow in summers and that can be followed by all the genders, all the age groups, and all the busy and lazy people out there. So let's just try out several things today and let's just form a conclusion whether we can rely on it on the daily basis for anything or everything. So let's just begin. Hey GPT, so today I am going to conduct one social experiment with you in front of my YouTube recording. So today I am going to test you on the summer daily skincare routine that can be followed by all the age groups, all the genders, and all the busy and lazy people out there. So it's high time for you to prove yourself now. So what exactly your duty is to suggest me whatever I've said you, like approachable and affordable skincare routines that can be followed in summers, okay, to everyone out there. So let me just give you an update now. As it's Sunday early morning, I have woken up and didn't take shower yet. So I have given you this information. Maybe it could determine the type of skincare routine I require now. So just break it down to morning, evening, and night routine. Okay, skincare routine that I can follow in front of everyone watching out my video. So yeah, just for now, you just give me morning skincare routine that I can follow right now. I mean, proceed on. I've given everything to this ChatGPT and let's see what happens. So, alright, ChatGPT has accepted our challenge. Oh, sorry for this type of notifications. I don't even know how to, remove that while I edit this video. Anyways, so let's see what ChatGPT says. Alright, challenge accepted. Guys, if you use ChatGPT, then you would know that ChatGPT provides unnecessary lines to read out whenever we ask something. So, ignoring all of this, let's just stick to our goal, morning skincare routine. So, it already provided me. I assume you are able to visit. Even if it not, then I will be reading out this for you all. So, step by step, we are going to try this out, and So, first one, gentle face cleanse. Oh, sorry, gentle face cleanse. First step, wash your face with a mild face soap or face wash, or even if plain water if you are super lazy. This removes sweat, oil, and overnight buildup. It gives options also to what kind of face wash we need and on the basis of our skin types and all. So my skin type is very natural, very normal skin. I don't have any kind of sensitivity or something like that. I even some people have sensitive skin that can only be very few of the products suits on them. So leaving everything, I am assuming these all suggestions, not assuming, I have already guided it to all the skin types. Okay, so first one is face cleansing. I don't know how am I going to shoot that video, but for you all I would. So let's begin with the first step. So very first step is to wash the face with water if you are lazy and with mild soap if you are not. So since I'm not super lazy, I will wash my face with mild soap. So before that, let's just tie our hair, and let me just remove my ring because soap gets stuck into it. And I forgot to bring my soap only. So loves, as we don't know, GPT has already reminded us to wash our faces every morning during summers, though we need to do this daily regardless of summer or winter or rainy. Anyways, before we go ahead to second step, basically second step is demanding me to take shower first and then do the second step. So let's just name taking shower as second step of summer daily skincare routine. So let me just go take a quick shower and then be back. I'm not going to shoot that, by the way. So just now I had shower and washed my hair. So now let's get back to the video and do our skincare routine as per the ChatGPT. So next is applying lots of moisturizer. That's why I said you all that this one needs shower. So after shower, applying lots of moisturizer is the next step, which I personally like because it suits the skin and it gives the foundation before going out or doing makeup. I like lots of moisturizer, but I dab it slowly, so it absorbs quickly. And so for you all, use any moisturizer that you like, but use it every day, use it after every face wash. Okay, yeah, moisturizer is done. And the next would be, let's read it out, the next one. I don't have phone, so I'm using one phone to record this and see the chat GPT thing. So the next one, let's see. So as you know, we have applied moisturizer just now. It is suggested to apply light moisturizer, but I keep it very large in quantity. I like to have I like to keep a heavy moisturizer on my skin because I don't know, if you want you can take light moisturizer, but coin size moisturizer is not my thing. I use lots of moisturizer because I actually love it, and plus it provides it hydrates our skin. And even if you have a oily skin and you prefer not to keep moisturizer, still you should apply moisturizer, because see, oil skin oily skin comes from dehydrated skin, and if it stays dehydrated, then you must apply lots of moisturizer. So if you don't like lots of moisturizer, just keep heavy moisturizer at night time, and early morning you can wipe it off or wash it off. So yeah, so coming to the next step is applying hydrated lip balm to hydrate your lips, of course. And yeah, so I am using this Dot and Key lip balm, which has SPF 50 plus, and it's preferable to use lip balm which contains SPF. But even if you don't have this, you can either try, or you can try to buy one. But if you don't want to, then you can use any lip balm of your preferable choice. So if you have this, you can apply, or just I'm gonna apply this. And yeah, it's a lip balm, but I assume it helps as a lip gloss too. I guess I can use it as a lip gloss. So, and that's it. Wow, it has the flavor of boomer chewing gum. But anyways, it's too refreshing, guys. It's too refreshing. I'm kind of loving this lip balm. So now it's the only skincare routine the GPT has shown me, and I think it's quite nice. I think it will help to, feel refreshing, and it helps to soothe the skin. It helps to, hydrate the skin. I guess this is it. I think that's all we need on our skins during summers, even every time. So I think this is it for the morning routine. Let's see how what we say evening routine will be. So it's completed. Now it's time to wind our morning routine. We have done everything whatever ChatGPT has suggested, and I think it's working quite well. I think this is that we need for our morning routine. It hydrates my skin. I mean, it boosts my confidence whenever I have a normal skin, whenever I have a hydrated skin. And so let's just wind up now. I'm exhausted now. I shall take some nap, and I'll be back with the evening routine suggested by GPT as usual. So if you're still here, thank you so much for being here. Now we have got to do so many things for our evening routine. We'll meet at evening. Toodles for now. Also, the voice played at the background bothers you, then I'm extremely sorry. It's azan time, and it's the bhajans playing in the temple near my home. So please, we have to respect both of that. And yeah, that's it. It's my nap time now. So I guess this video I have made is little longer, and it takes time to do editing as well. I'm just thinking to end this video here itself and bid you a farewell, just for this video. Not from the YouTube, of course. So I am keenly interested to try ChatGPT for my evening and night routines as well, but I just want to make it in parts, because if the video is going to be long, then it will affect my watch hours, and it will affect and you will also tend to lose interest in my type of genre or content. So if you're willing to watch my evening routine and night routine, then please like this video, please subscribe, and please let me know in the comments, so that I will be motivated to try ChatGPT for the evening routines and night routines during summers also. So you just have to do me this favor, then I'm definitely going to put all the videos consistently. So toodles, take care. Also, guys, please don't be offended because I know we have done very, very, very basic things in this video. I don't know why am I naming it as morning routine during summers for everyone, but trust me, guys, when ChatGPT gave me these suggestions, I have done it very honestly, and also you need to remember that and keep remembering that these methods were approachable, affordable, and to all the skin types, to all the gender, and yeah, to all the busy and lazy people. So that's why it was so basics. Even men can do it, washing face, such basic things. But yeah, please bear with this video. Even if you don't like, then please just leave it, but please don't be offended. And I am sure you are interested to for me to make evening routines and night routines very basics, because I myself have no interest and in these things to make all that paste and waste and apply it on my face, whatever. I don't like that. I am not interested in that, and I don't do all such skincares. But yeah, stay hydrated, guys. This is very important to drink lots of water, and at least the quantity of water that requires as per your health and body. So whenever you are thirsty, whenever you, even if you are not thirsty, please drink some water, because during this time it's very